Data helps businesses make important decisions. For example, let's say that there's a company that sells products but it's losing customers for some reason. So what that company is going to do is they're going to try to figure out the source of the problem. But to do that, they're going to need data. And so they use a table of all the past purchases that customers made, and they come to the conclusion that one of their new products is getting really bad reviews and it's lowering their reputation. So this company came up with this conclusion by using Excel. And Excel is really useful because with Excel, it's really easy to gain insights from large amounts of data. And with its beginner-friendly interface, Excel has many built-in features that help organize your data into neat tables. And to add on, you can create visuals that summarize the data, because it's much easier to look at pictures and charts rather than large amounts of numbers. And by learning Excel, you can gain conclusions from messy data, and you can make important decisions that will benefit your business. Also, Excel is a useful skill in the job market, and learning Excel can open the doors to many different opportunities. It's a versatile tool that can be applied to many different jobs like accountants, data analysts, data scientists, and you don't even need to be a master in Excel, because even if you just know the basics, you can still go somewhere, and it gives you advantage over many other people. And I feel like the hardest part is to start learning Excel, but after you learn like the basics, you'll gain more confidence, and you'll start learning like the more advanced functions that you can do inside of Excel. Excel lays the foundation of learning other skills. And if you're aiming for a job such as a data analyst or data scientist, then Excel is a great starting point, not only because it's easy to learn, but also it teaches you the skills that can be transferred to other more advanced tools such as SQL, Power BI, things like that. And so in other words, if you want to get started somewhere but you don't know where to start, then you should start with Excel. And in this channel, I'm going to provide quick tutorials and mini project walkthroughs on using Excel. And so by watching my videos, you're going to learn Excel as efficient as possible and have fun along the way. And you're going to learn all the cool things, the cool features that Excel has to offer. And so if you're interested in that kind of content, I hope you hit the like button and subscribe to stay up to date. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.